under-sink RO water purifier from SimPure. The Q6 uses both reverse osmosis and PPC filtration to provide you clean, crisp, and refreshing water every time. It features a compact size and tankless design, so you can save precious under-sink space. Compared to large, clunky, traditional systems that take up a ton of room, the Q6 fits neatly in the under-sink cabinet without any hassle. Perfect to connect to the sink or directly to the refrigerator. Also included is the stainless steel smart faucet with a built-in LED indicator that lets you know when to replace your filter. And you can replace the filter in a flash. Just twist and remove from the side. Provide your family with safe, clean drinking water with the Q6 under-sink RO water purifier.
Filtration system, certification matters. Brondell's Capella RC250 reverse osmosis water filtration system is a sustainable solution for high-quality, purified water that you can feel good about drinking. Capella is Gold Seal certified by the Water Quality Association to reduce 86 contaminants found in drinking water. Gold Seal certification by the WQA ensures that consumers can trust Capella's reduction claims. Certified under NSF and ANSI standards 42, 53, 58, and 401, Capella reduces common contaminants like heavy metals and arsenic, in addition to newly emerging contaminants. Emerging contaminants are monitored by the EPA but remain unregulated at this time. As the EPA gathers more information about emerging contaminants and their effect on human and environmental health, emerging contaminants can eventually become regulated health contaminants. Emerging contaminants include herbicides and pesticides, over-the-counter and prescription medicines, and PFAS chemicals, which are found in a variety of household products like nonstick cookware, food packaging, and stain repellents. These chemicals don't break down easily and are increasingly found in the global water supply. Capella efficiently reduces these chemicals, and many more. Capella also reduces chlorine taste and odor for water that tastes as clean as it truly is.